Hello and welcome back to this new puzzle. Today we are gonna look at Euro New Zealand. It is very interesting how the price is actually developing here. The chart that we are looking at right now on Euro New Zealand is the weekly chart, as you can see. The interesting fact is that the close of the weekly candle is very bullish, so we need to be very careful. And what is very surprising in this movement right now is that we can see that all these weeks here, these are weekly candle, the price is showing to have a very strong bullish volume. So considering also the last bullish candle that was very big overall and without any real reason, it was a bounce of 750 pips. So let's see, it will be very difficult overall because the bullish movement is very aggressive, so we don't have to move on the sell side because we'll be in trouble after that. What it is getting interesting is that we can see inside bars that I actually created within these 2 points. Look at the inside bars, how they are taking shape, and we can see only one invalidation in these 2 points, and after that the price breaks down. However, the inside bars are nothing more when they are contracted than a triangular pattern. If we are going to break it down right now on the 4-hour time frame, you will see that price is already taking a break. We need to be careful with the bullish movement and with the bearish movement as well. And I am focused on this part of the structure. So for the moment the price was actually creating this type of triangle. The problem that we need to be careful with the bullish movement is that the price moved without taking a break for a long period of time, but on the other hand we had the bullish candle, weekly candle, that closed very big. So what may happen if price is going to break down? As we can see, price is actually coming down from this point. The interesting part is that we need to be careful, as the price may come close to this part of the structure and the bullish trend can probably push the price higher after this moment. So this is a scenario that can happen, considering that all the market is looking at any pullback in order to buy Euro New Zealand. But if price is going to increase the bearish momentum and it is going to break also below the structure that we are looking at here, let's say below 1.7134, this is going to increase the chances for further decline. And this decline will have some areas that probably they will test the old structure areas here. In my opinion, this is a movement that the price should do right now, considering that it moved very high for a very long period of time. The problem is that all of this bullish trend, look at how big is this trend, 1300 pips movement, and it is also bigger. It needs to create any type of pattern before it moves lower. So this is one of the scenarios that I'm looking at, how the price can come down. Another scenario that is also, it has higher chances to happen, is that probably we can see the price to create any triple top pattern, and after that it can move lower again. So this is for the bearish scenario. The main focus at this point should be on the breakdown of 1.7135. This is where I'm focused on the bearish scenario. So until that moment, as long as the price will develop in this area, we can see many scenarios. Once the price is going to bounce above this top, it can move a lot higher, so we can never know how the price may develop after that. So it will increase more as it did before at this point. So we are in a moment in trend where the price is actually correcting here. If we are going to break it lower, you will see that the triangle is actually invalidated, price is showing more bearish pressure, and it can come close to this bottom. The problem with this bottom is that if price is not going to break the bottom, it may develop the pattern in a type of bigger triangular pattern, as you may see at this point. So it can develop more and more and more. It can keep developing this triangular pattern. So let's see what the price is going to do. For the moment it keeps developing, it looks very good, but we need to be very careful with trading. Once the price will be close to the support area again, we will see the buyers to join the next movement from this point. And here we have the bulls that are positioned. Sorry, this is potential zone where we can see the price to bounce up again up to the upper part of the line. In this way the price will continue to develop this pattern, this triangular pattern. It has higher chances that it can develop in this way, considering that the bullish momentum is still very high, considering the strong bearish trend that is coming from the lower part. And on the other part we have also the sellers that think that price moved very high, increased too much for the moment, and the price should move lower. So let's see which one will be the next movement. It will be the breakdown or the breakout on the upper part. However, in my opinion, I think that the chances are that price will come close to the zone and it will bounce up again close to the resistance part of this pattern. So hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the like button for more future content. Thank you. Bye bye.